So we're out here in the Salt Flats, Salt Lake City, Utah, with Camp 4 Moto, and we've realized that with this MotoCrane, we need to have a heavier setup than just the 55-pound payload. I think this thing is just too heavy for this MotoCrane setup right now. Nate! I need the heavy lift! Thanks, man.
No problem.
So we contacted MotoCrane and asked them to send us one of their new Heavylift applications. And that's what we're unboxing right now. We're running the MoVI XL, a red weapon with an ingenue lens, and that's just pushing our weight capacity of the MotoCrane. So we got their new Heavylift app, and we're gonna build it out here in the Salt Flats. I'm gonna start at the easiest point right now, which is the upgrades to the shock mounts. That's pretty cool. The next thing we need to install are the clamps and then the braces that brace the front boom and the back boom to stiffen everything up. These are really cool. They're machined pieces of aluminum with rubber on the inside, and those clamp on the back here like this. And you just bolt that in, voila. That concludes our successful test of the Heavylift, and now we just have to take what, 8, 9, 12 bolts off, and it works. Turns out it lifted heavy stuff. It is a heavy lift.